Hello fragrance buddies! With fall coming up and Halloween right around the corner, today I'm going to be showing you how to make an enchanting fragrance balm. It's really easy to make and you only need a few ingredients. Now, let me cast a spell on you and let's get started. I used my handy kitchen scale to measure out 7 grams of beeswax and 7 grams of our golden jojoba oil and then 7 grams of our shea butter. These are going to make it the base of the balm and give it a firm enough consistency to apply that will still melt into the skin. You can use a double boiler or a microwave to melt anything down, but just be sure to mix everything up now and then so nothing goes unmelted. Once the mixture is melted and smooth, add in 0.35 grams of our tapioca starch. If you don't have this on hand, you can just use cornstarch. You're going to stir it in thoroughly to combine with the melted ingredients, squishing out any clumps with your spatula. As your mixture cools, you can go ahead and add in the final ingredients. First up, we're going to add 0.2 grams of vitamin E oil, which is an antioxidant that will help the balm from going rancid over time. Okay, and then finally we're going to use a pipette to carefully add 0.35 grams of dragon's blood fragrance to the mixture. I picked dragon's blood because it's kind of witchy and gets me in the mood for Halloween. Even outside of the spooky holiday,